Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Disney Plus. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about Disney Plus and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Here we go to Play Store. And then we'll update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.